told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control them.
Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I am in Chibike's Chemical. Jesus Christ, this place is really noisy. So guys, when I get to the house, I'm going to be explaining to you guys what I came here to do and how I am doing it, okay? So if you've not subscribed, stay tuned, subscribe, and then we are going to be getting all of that details when I get to the house. So let me go back and finish what I'm doing, okay? Yeah.
Why you never said you felt that way? Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away.
So guys, I'm done with what I came for. Right now I'm going to the house, and when I get to the house I'll let you guys know. There's an upstairs here, so I'll see you guys when I get to the house. You are going to be proud of me. Yeah. So I was supposed to go to the house, but my girlfriend called me that her daughter is not feeling fine. So let me just use the opportunity and see her. I'm still in the hospital already, so there's no point getting to the house first. So let me see our baby, then I'll get to the house. Then we'll talk about this stuff, okay? Yeah, so enjoy. I love you guys, okay? Oh, are you serious? Good evening. So, come on, I small here. Yeah. So guys, see mama baby. I know that she gonna remove this thing. Always want to be up to date.
Yeah, baby.
Anyways, this is her, and I'm wishing her baby a quick recovery. So, baby is already smiling for me. You guys know, anywhere I enter, baby will smile.
Yes, sir.
So I'm leaving the hospital already. I'll see you guys when I get to the house. Say hi before we end the hospital.
So that's
Say hi now.
okay. Hi.
And this is our hospital, Prestige Hospital and Maternity. It's a very good one for recommendation. See, they have good humanity sympathy. They have good customer service. In fact, they are good. Okay?
As you fade away, as you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes.
Yeah, so I got plenty udara. You guys can see the one that is very sweet, which is this one I'm showing you guys, and the ones that is not sweet. So these are the chemicals I got. I got these chemicals for about 1,900, but for me I think it's better. Okay, yeah. Guys, welcome back to the channel. Sorry there's no light. You guys have to manage this particular lights like this. So yeah, I went to the markets. I went to look for chemical shops where I can get liquid soap. This channel will not get secrets. So that is on that note I went to go and do verification and every other stuff, how I can be able to lend them bar soap, facial soap and every other stuff, but I will need to have my area of concentration because I don't want to pack everything like stuck in my head. So I am tired of buying detergent. So if I'm buying Viva for 1,300 for the big pack. Then I'll have to buy Viva soap. Then I'll have to buy liquid soap. I'm buying like different things for my house, and I just want to end all of that in this 2024 because I need to start knowing how to like manage myself. So that's why I have to go and get this liquid soap stuff so that I can make liquid soap. Since I can make it, so why not? And the good part is that they can even label it for you. Okay, so if you want to make liquid soap yourself, you can just go to any of this chemical shop where they sell liquid soap stuff and tell them that they should just mix it for you. They're definitely going to mix it for you. So for this liquid soap, I'm going to do the one that we use to wash clothes, the one that we use to wash plates, and then maybe do 1 or 2 things around the house. But the most important thing is for clothes and soap, clothes and plates. Then for mopping and every other stuff, so it's just going to be like 2 partition. Anyways, when I'm doing all of that, definitely you guys know that I'm going to carry you guys along, because I carry everybody along. Okay, yes. See, I love a situation whereby I do things myself too. I feel like it's minimized costs for me a lot, because all of these things that I bought for 5 liters, I got them for 1,900. Why, if I'm going to buy soap, detergents, blah blah blah, it's going to cost me over 3,000 naira, and it's not even going to last me a specific amount of months, or a specific months that I really wish them to last. So that's by the way. I want to be ending this vlog here. I'll eat my own part of the fruit. Look at the way I say all my fruits. I'll eat my own part of the fruit because hubby is not around. So he went to watch football. Yes, he went to watch football and left to let me here. So I'll eat my own part of the fruit. Then yeah, you guys, I don't have anything to say again, just to say bye. If you've not subscribed, please do subscribe. Like this video, drop me a comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. If this vlog no end here, that means we are going to attach it to another vlog. How do you guys see that? See you guys later. Bye. Hi guys, welcome back to another beautiful vlog. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. So today I'm all set out. I hope my face is not too harsh. So anyways, I'm all set out this morning. I want to go to MTN. There are a lot of things I have to do there. When I say MTN in Port Harcourt, you guys already know that is like MTN headquarters in Port Harcourt. Okay, so yeah, I'm wearing this my bubu gown. This I don't even know where I can place this camera and show you guys. Oh, you guys are not gonna see it. Oh, there is this covering it. Okay, let's just try something with my bag here. So yeah, the hand of this bag is blocking it. So I'm wearing this my bubu gown. You guys you've seen this gown before. So yeah, I'm setting out this hot afternoon. So help me God, because I have a lot. Anyways, let me just start going. Everywhere in the house is already neat. So once I come and make dinner, I'll see you guys later.
It's my soul.